Hello everyone. Okay, so last video we see on installing Windows Server 2003. So once I install Windows Server 2003, so everything done, so it starts, the server restarts and automatically install the VMware tools. VMware tools contain of the drivers and some add-on softwares. Okay, so let me run this on full screen. Okay, so once the VMware tools install, okay, the Windows restart back again, and then once everything installed, you'll see that VMware tools is running. This message will come on the first time. Before you must configure this. So once we configure these updates, then it should never come back again. Okay, so this one is scan Windows Server 2003 R2 Standard Edition. Okay, so since I already started the video on Windows Server 2003, first I will show you all on configuring certain thing. In this video we will change the IP address, make it static. You can see that I'm not connected to internet. I'm connected in the network actually, but not connected to the internet. So one more thing we'll do, what we will change the computer name. So we're only going to do that, and then few other configuration. Okay, so update the server for critical security updates. Up to you if you want to update first. I want to select something different, and I'm going to turn off the updates. Okay, and if you go update the server, let me see what will come here. Internet connection is required. Okay, I'm just going to minimize this, and I'm going to finish. Okay, you want to close when you close the page. Inbound connection to the server will be allowed before continuing. Ensure that you have downloaded and installed all available security updates. Okay, no need to worry. Just click yes. Okay. Okay. After that, you will see that your server manager coming. Okay, this server manager usually every time you turn off and turn on your PC, the server will come. Okay, you can choose that do not display this page right now. It's up to you. You can choose. You can see that we don't have any roles installed. Okay, before we doing this, first as I say, configure the IP address, change the computer name, and some other few configuration. Then only we go to server manager. So I'm gonna close this also. No use. So first thing, okay, uh, let's open up command prompt. Okay, I want to check the IP address. Reconfig. So you can see that I don't have any connection specific, any DNS suffix. I don't have default gateway. Okay, so but I have some uh, auto for configured IP address and also some names. So we don't have anything. I'm going to right click on the network here, and I'm going to go open network connection and double click on this and go to properties. Okay, I think can we close this? Yes, we can close that. Okay. So what you can see in Windows Server 2003, you're only able to see TCP/IP4. Okay, you cannot see IPv6. This one you can, it's not connected, that's why it's showing. But if connected, it's never show. But you can choose to show. It's always better to choose show that if connected, just let it show. Okay. Alright. So let's go to properties, and we're going to configure it automatically. So we will configure everything. First, we must know that what is our default gateway. You go to here, you go to edit, you go to virtual network editor, and we'll open up the virtual network editor window. We are using NAT. Okay, NAT. You go to that NAT settings. You can see that gateway IP is 192.168.10.10. Okay, so just gonna close this. 192.168.10.10. So 192.168.10. Our default gateway is 10, so maybe I give this excuse me, I got some incoming call. Resume that. I will pause the video for a while. So I'm gonna give so the IP default gateway 10. This one maybe I give 12. So it must automatically configured. 192.168.10.10. Okay. This one I'm gonna give same IP address with the server 192.168.10.12. Okay, and this one I'm gonna give the default gateway. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna give like this, or maybe if you don't want, I mean we just try give the like this. If got any problem, then we delete it. Okay, no problem. So I just click OK. Now let me see got any internet access here or not. Okay, so I just gonna IP config again. It's not. It is not. So I just close it. You can see that it's connected to the internet. Now I can access to the internet. Now let's check our IP. Now you can see our IP is 12 and the default gateway is 1010 and you can access to internet. So we already successfully set the IP address. So just exit this thing. Okay, the next is we check our computer name. Okay, I click on this properties. It will also this thing will pop up. Okay, go to system, go to computer name. Your computer name is something like dono something. Okay, this dono actually I created a username dono. Okay, so it's created something like this. So I'll change this computer name. I just go change. I want to change something like server 2003. Okay, and okay, so you have to restart your computer. Okay, so click OK. I close this, close everything. So all that's closed, nothing is running. Okay, yes, let's wait for the computer to restart. I'll just pause the video until it restarts. Okay, so I already restart my Windows Server 2003. So let's actually log in. Make it as a full screen. Okay, so you're able to see that once my Windows starts, my server manager is already open up, my internet is already connected, and before we restart, what we did is actually we set up the IP address and we change our computer name. I'm just gonna close this. So let's go and have a look first. Okay, check on the properties. We go to computer name. You can see that I already changed this to server 2003. Means I give a short form server 03. Okay, you can write any description here if you want to write. So I want just leave it like that. Okay, other than that, let me see what I need to do. Generate. Okay, so here I just wanna thinking what is the next step on us sure to do. We need to make sure that we have our administrator got password, and also before we create any Active Directory or the thing, it's better for us to have an admin password. Okay, so I want to go check on that and want to manage change the user settings and everything. Let me see if I can find computer management. So from here you're able to manage your computer. from local users and group, you go to user, right click on administrator and set password. So it says resetting the password may cause you should use this command, so you can follow the step. Okay, what you want to do is change password. So you don't have any old password, new password. I want to give 123 123. You see your password has been changed. Okay, so if you now go to manage under users, right click, still you can able to set password, but let's log off and log in back. See, we need to put the password. See, you must give the password 3 and that's it. Okay, so that's all in this video. So see you in next video. In next video I'll be installing Windows XP client. So see you in next video.